that's what we're exploring today. Alright, that's what you guys should search for when you're going to set up your Google Drive. Ensure you use those words or desktop app, and you download it and then you install. And you must be patient enough to give it a chance to initialize itself. Oftentimes you will see your taskbar disappear because it's trying to run itself, it's trying to initialize, and the Explorer service, or should I say the Explorer process, has to be restarted sometimes. And as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like. So I have mine running here, and I'm going to add another. So I'm going to double click on it. Alright, I'm going to click over here. I'm going to say add account. Now I won't have to add my account manually because I have a number of accounts set up in my browser. However, you will. Let's just get link. This is something new. If you're taking too long, try and manually copy and paste the link into your browser. Okay, it's interesting. Alright. Oh, what am I talking about? Here it is. Alright, so I'm going to use this account. Click there. Then I'm going to say sign in. Okay, so they have multiple ways now. That is a new option. So it has been authenticated, and you're going to see it here. Here we are. Load in your account. Pretty simple. So it does take longer than it normally does though. I don't know, maybe my laptop is slow. This isn't the fastest laptop in my arsenal. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to say go to account. And because I have multiple accounts, I can click here and I can switch between either of these. So I'm currently on this account. I can click on tech tutorials. So then I can click on that, or I can switch back to that one. Right? And see where it says load in your files, it's actually referring to, well, in fact, let me go here. So go to your computer, your PC, whatever it's called, whichever operating system you're using. It's going to first map a virtual drive here, right? And I can go into my virtual drive, right? And a lot of cloud cloud services are moving this way where their app creates a virtual drive. You'll notice RapidShare does it. Google has started doing it. I haven't seen Microsoft do it so far, but there you go. And then what I've done is actually, perhaps this is for another day, but I've actually created a folder in here that maps back to that virtual drive. Right? So if you have to also be careful, the flash drives and other drives that you're going to connect to your computer, they may have used these drive letters before, so just be careful so you don't. So this one goes up to J, and normally E is the next available letter. So when you plug your flash drives in, if they don't appear, it's because probably these letters are being used. Right, so that is actually it. In fact, let me show you something first thing. Other computers, these are computers that it is set up on already, right? And this is the actual drive, the actual cloud drive, right? So I don't have anything set up on the drive. I have these computers. I have the documents folder, have having these folders, and they're synced with the virtual drive. And just to kind of hit home for you guys, let's see, manage storage. It's going to actually there's another way, but I'm just going to use this the quicker way. It opens it in my browser, and I'm going to click here. Oh, there we go. So you can actually sorry, view your storage here. This is weird. This is really not what I wanted, but I guess I'll just do it the long way, which is doing it there. So I just clicked on that grid, and it actually brings me to the drive itself. And then inside the drive, I have these files, right? And then, of course, you guys saw earlier the different computers that it was set up in. And what I tend to do is rename these. So if I know it has, I think this is the latest one. So I'll probably, in fact, let me show you what I do. This is the name of the computer, and this is the latest one, the latest instance of a computer being backed up. So I just rename it. So if this is set up on other computers, I'll rename them accordingly, and so from this online dashboard I can be aware of which of my laptops is in this space. Alright, so we went a little bit overboard, but I trust you guys learned something. And in fact, you notice there's nothing going on there. Here's what I'll do. I will actually, without complicating things too much, I will go here and I will create just a blank file, and you will notice it's glowing because it's actually synchronizing. See there? It's actually synchronizing. It's done synchronizing now. If I refresh, here we go. The cloud icon shows that it's actually in the cloud, right? And if we go back to our browser, assuming I had renamed the correct computer, yeah, there we go, 633, 634. So this was the file I actually created, and I can and I'll save it and allow it to synchronize. See that going on there? It's syncing. When I go back here, you will see tech tips. Great. So I'm sure you guys understand where we're coming from. Anyway, I'm glad you guys were here to learn a bit. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.